Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track out of a 77 Trans Am. This comes from Bill in St. Louis, Missouri. That's my hometown. Nice to do a job for an ex-neighbor. And so this 8-track has been converted to work with a reproduction radio, which means all the original guts come out. In goes my new motor, speed control board, and specially designed preamp to sound brighter than the original. So let's pop in some Neil Sedek and make sure everything works. Just heard a little accidental test tone there. We're just waiting for the next song to start in this track. There we are. Let's check our output, make sure we got both sides. Okay. Now we'll just switch tracks a bunch of times.
I whisper in your ear, my heart goes pitter patter 'cause I'm out of the hatter. Get out and circulate, so don't you ever call her back, girl.
Might be a little bit loud.
Rock you on the head, love you all the while. Me, you understand. Get out and circulate.
Okay, that's it. There's not much to test. Now, on a converted 8-track, these controls no longer do anything because all your volume, balance, and tone are now handled at the radio. That makes things a little bit simpler. And then the only thing that still works on the 8-track deck is the program change button, of course. And if your unit has indicator lights, those will still work also. But as far as your signal, electronic signaling, that's all handled at the radio. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is becoming a very popular item for customers converting their 8-track to work with a reproduction radio, because reproduction radio puts out the most power into a fully isolated speaker system, which means that a car usually needs to be rewired to eliminate all the common grounds. And so that's why the 8-track player will no longer work with the repro radios, because 8-track is designed to work into a common ground speaker system, which will no longer work. So, that being stated, you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Bill, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.